Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somi James, in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. Guys, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. You all have been so amazing. Thank you for the love. Thanks for subscribing, for watching my videos. I'm so really thankful. Don't worry, there's going to be a giveaway soon coming up on my channel. Just turn on your post notifications so you can know. Alright, so guys, today's video is a very quick unboxing video. I just got some stuff. It's about 3 stuff, and I just thought, okay, I'm going to make an unboxing video out of it. Alright, so guys, the first stuff I got is this full shoulder mannequin. I am actually, in case you do not know, I am an hair vendor based in Mobile State. I make deliveries everywhere. I sell human hair, affordable braid wigs. My braid wigs are super affordable, guys. You want to go and check out my channel. I'm going to leave that on the screen. All right, so you want to check it out. So I've wanted to get a full shoulder mannequin for the longest time now, but I finally got it, and I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys to see. All right, I'm very excited about it myself, so I'm just going to unbox so we can all see. I got some other stuff too alongside it. Let me just, don't know if I have apologized for how rough my face is and everything, because I was working when this thing got here, and I thought I'll make a video because I actually want to, you know, see what's in it myself. And but I got this from Wig Essentials. This is not a sponsored video or so, but you know, she sells very good wig tools and products and all of that. Okay, I also got this Swiss lace. I do not have this shade, so I had to get this shade. Can you guys see? All right. Can you guys see? I don't know, I think the light is too much. You guys can see. Oh god, I'm so in love with this baby. I actually wanted a darker shade, and I think I'm still going to get a darker shade. I think this was the one she had available at the store. All right, this is so pretty. The dog will not come out. Like, I love this, and our stuffs are very affordable. You can ask her for prices. I don't know if she would be selling for same price and all of that. I don't know about that. So this is what I got. It came with this net, and yeah, the light is too much, but yeah, can you guys see? This baby I have wanted to get for the longest time, guys, honestly, and I'm so really happy I got. Another thing I got is this new paper. I actually have removed this from the box. Sorry, I actually made 50 of this. The other one is there. It's a new paper bag. This is not the paper bag I was using before, because I use this. I'm going to put a picture of what I used before, but to get that transparent line on is usually like work for me. Like, I go through a lot, and the ones I've gotten here in Nigeria, they don't like have that thickness that I always like. You get, it's not always very thick, so I just said, okay, I'll do something different. So this is the paper bag I got. There is everything here. There is my Instagram handle, and then there is our YouTube handle, you know. So, and then I got, with that, I got this thank you card. I'm trying to make this video a very short one. This thank you card, can you guys see? Thank you for your order, for your patronage. We will appreciate your feedback. And then at the back here says, do tag us. Let me read from here. Do tag us, do tag our social media handle to be featured on our page. We appreciate you. Originally, I would have loved somewhere where I can, you know, write something. That was what I said, but I think the guy was misinformed. And for the record's sake, this guy is very affordable, guys. Like, I'm going to leave his handle on the screen, specialprint.ng. He is affordable, like you guys want to patronize, and it's big on Instagram, so I'm going to leave his handle. He did, I love this I did 50. The thing I almost forgot, sorry guys, don't mind my face. So another thing that I'm so excited about is this label. Can you guys see? It says everything air, all right, so that when your wig cap is coming, when your wigs, all our named wigs will be coming like this. This is a wig cap. This is one of the wig cap I use. So this is it. It's coming brand. Can you see? All right, everything here like that. So when people see your wig, they know that you got it from a very good brand. All right, so these are the things I want to show you guys. I hope this video wasn't boring at all. All right, I'm just always very big on branding and all of that, and I've wanted to do this for the longest time, you know. And in Nigeria, the cost of things keeps increasing and all of that. But what can we do as a business owner? You want to brand, because branding is actually a major thing when you're doing business. Like, people will be attracted to the brand. All right, so guys, again, I want to say a big thank you to all of you amazing people that you've been watching my videos, subscribing. And I know that I do not say this a lot of time. Please, I would like us to always talk, always make a comment, send me video suggestions, what you want me to make. I am available. I'll be more than happy to make those videos. All right, let me know what you think about any video I upload, whatever it is, good or bad comments. I'll take them. All right, thank you so much for your love so far. I am so very grateful. So guys, until I see all of you amazing, super amazing people in my next video, please stay safe. I love you. Bye.